Are you looking to start your own website, but on a tight budget? Well, in this video, we are going to talk about the 3 most affordable and budget-friendly web hosting for beginners. Whether you want to practice website design, or start a blog, or want to start your online business, this video will surely help you find the right web hosting for you. In fact, these are the same web hosting solutions that we were using in the initial stages of our online business, and we are going to share our honest opinion with you. So, let's not waste any time and get started. Web hosting number 1, Hostinger. Hostinger is a reputable and budget-friendly web hosting platform catering particularly well to beginners. Known for its affordability, it offers a range of hosting solutions suitable for various website needs. Hostinger is the second web hosting that we used for our online businesses. They provide free website migration without the loss of any precious data. So, if you want to shift your website from one host to another, you can consider Hostinger. When it comes to pricing, Hostinger boasts incredibly low introductory rates, making it highly attractive for those on a tight budget. Plans start as low as $1.39 per month, coupled with occasional discounts for longer-term commitments. It offers reliable uptime and decent loading speeds, especially considering the price point. Hostinger's interface is intuitive, ideal for beginners navigating their first website setup. Not to mention their customer support, which is above industry standards. But Hostinger has its own limitations as well. The renewal rates will be higher, and there will be some resource limitations on the basic plan. Hostinger, like other shared hosting providers, might specify approximate visitor limits, for example, 5,000 visitors per month, based on the plan. However, these are usually estimates and not strict limits. For instance, their shared hosting plans may handle a few thousand visitors per month comfortably for smaller websites with optimized content. As your site grows or experiences higher traffic, you might need to consider scaling up to higher tier plans or more robust hosting solutions to accommodate increased visitor capacity. Now let's move on to our next web hosting provider, Namecheap. Namecheap is, without any doubt, the most affordable web hosting provider in the internet. It's even more affordable than Hostinger. In fact, Namecheap was the very first web hosting that we bought to set up our website. We personally like its customer support, as they are always ready to help you whenever you're stuck. Their user interface is clean and straightforward, offering easy navigation and access to essential features for domain management, website setup, and hosting configurations. They often provide tutorials, guides, and tooltips to assist beginners in setting up their websites or managing their domains. Namecheap's web hosting plans are specifically designed for beginners, as most of their plans are affordable and only provides the beginner-level features. In our opinion, Namecheap is good for creating portfolio and agency websites. And you can also use it to practice your web design skills. Last but not least, we have our third web hosting provider, Comet. Comet is another contender in the budget-friendly web hosting sphere, focusing on providing reliable hosting services with a strong emphasis on customer satisfaction. Comet is a kind of premium web hosting provider, which means you don't need to worry about your website security, backups, and page loading speed. Whether you want to launch your online store, a directory website, or anything, Comet is a reliable web hosting solution. When it comes to pricing, Comet is one of the top-tier web hosting solution. But luckily, they provide up to 80% discount to their customer for the first year. In other words, if you set up your website with Comet, it will cost you less than $50 for the year. Then later on, the renewal rates will be much higher. These are the top 3 most affordable, newbie-friendly and budget-friendly website hosting in the internet. We recommend that you go through each web hosting pricing plans and see if there is any offer is going on. If you want the cheapest hosting, assuming that you just want to test or practice web design or want to create a simple 3 to 5 page website, then go with Namecheap. If you are planning to start a blog, a simple website with decent features, Hostinger is the fine choice. And if you want to launch your website with all the premium features, we highly recommend Comet, but the discount pricing is only for the first year. We hope this video was helpful to you, and you gained the information you want. If you have any questions or queries, do let us know in the comments. Also make sure to subscribe to our channel for more web hosting reviews and comparison videos. Thank you for watching this video.